Today we are going to discuss about career opportunities in uh, IT professions. These vary from operator to specialist, skilled programmers. Okay, are you hear me properly or not? Okay, so these are vary from operator to specialist, skilled programmer. Okay, some of the career opportunities are as follows. Okay, first is web designer and developer. One can develop interactive websites using knowledge of HTML, PHP, and various other programming languages. Okay, basically, web designer required HTML, CSS. Okay, these two basic things. Okay, as well as third thing is JavaScript. If you are expertise in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then you can able to become a web designer. Okay, but in case of web developer, you have to gaining knowledge about programming. Okay, uh, front end development part, right? PHP, then JSP, such type of server side programming's knowledge are essential when you become a when you want to develop any any web development, when you want to comes under web development part. Okay, then so various other programming languages like PHP, programming languages like JSP. Okay, then ASP.NET. So these are various programming language for server side part, handling server side part. Now this is very is a interesting. Web designer and developer have tremendous scope in a particular field, IT field. Okay, most of web designer and developer work online. Okay, no need to go specific area or no need to go office. Okay, they work at work from home. Okay, now second career opportunity is software developer. It is possible to have career as a software developer with the scripting skills, uh, scripts for programming languages like C, C++, Java language. Okay, you just have to know about each and every part of programming. Okay, not a single language. You must have knowledge about operating systems, then C programming concepts, C++ concepts, right? For software development, you have proper knowledge of particular system. You have to understand computer system. You have to understand server, each and everything, so you can become a software developer in IT field. Okay. Now next career opportunity is database manager. After getting knowledge about database management, one can work as a database manager with the help of SQL skills. See here, SQL skills means structured query language. Okay, which is also called as SQL queries, right? Let me check how many participants are there. Okay, 91. Okay, so database manager have such type of DB skills. DB stands for database, related to the SQL, related to the access. Okay, and we can say new concepts in database related to the MongoDB. Okay, so these are different type of skills you need to become a database manager. After getting knowledge about database management, one can work as a database manager with the help of DB skills or SQL skills. Okay, there are a lot of SQL families like SQL Server, then SQL Server, then MySQL, right? PostgreSQL. So there are different type of SQL skills, SQL platforms as well. Information security analyst. Next career opportunity. Information security analysts are responsible for ensuring that network are watertight. They educate staff to avoid unintended disclosure and keep up to speed with potential external threats. So basically, this information security analyst is become nothing but, you can say, ethical hacker. Okay, information security analyst, which is also called as a ethical hacker. Okay, so uh, you have to check network speed, you have to check security. Okay, so he or she always protect organization from external threats, external attacks. Okay, so um, skill, sorry, a career opportunity is what, role is what, information security analyst. Now next profession, next career opportunity in IT is professional accountant. Using computerized accounting software, one can successfully handle accounting work of any small or large scale organization. uh, when you have interest in bookkeeping and accountancy concepts, okay, then you can able to handle accounting softwares. Okay, accounting things, balance sheet, debit and credit concepts. Okay, now next profession is sorry, in professional accountant, you can handle tally ERP, similar softwares. Okay, now next part is financial advisor. After getting IT knowledge, one can advise and guide others in investing the money in various investment schemes with their calculations and benefits in future. Okay, you can advise where you can invest your money. Okay, so you can become a proper financial advisor with the help of IT proper knowledge. Okay, expertise, when you expertise in IT, right? So this is the one of the opportunity. Now next opportunity name is cyber advisor. Anyone can develop his or her career as a cyber advisor. Anyone means any stream. Okay, any stream student can comes under cyber advisor. If there is a science student, if there is a commerce student, art student, okay, just he or her have proper uh, conceptual knowledge. Okay, then he can become a, or she can become a cyber advisor in IT field, right? Next part is animator. Okay, so this is the most demanding career in today's era, animator. It is possible to become a successful animator using one's own creation and innovation with the help of software like GIMP, Inkscape, etc. Basically, GIMP and Inkscape, these are open source category type of softwares, right? Nowadays, this is the growing, we can say, field. Animation is a growing field because everyone knows lockdown period is going, so um, animator can handle such type of work in remotely. Okay, they need no need to come office, or no need to come proper organization area. Okay, animators, animation part, like 2D animation, 3D animation. In 2D, sets like using Flash software, 3D like 3ds Max, Maya software, okay, for 3D modeling, right? There are lots of type available on software category, animation category. Few are open source and few are comes under closed source category, proprietary softwares. But professional always use uh, closed source. Okay. Now next part is game development, game developer. Perhaps one of the trendiest and most fun jobs in the sector. Games developer get to work on title for consoles, computers, smartphones, tablets, and online. Creativity and imagination are important, but the ability to work in a highly pressurized environment in is also crucial. Basically, animator and game developer require proper creativity. Actually, everyone requires creativity, but mostly when you talk about game development part, creativity and imagination is essential. Okay, just a minute. So perhaps one of the trendiest and most fun jobs in sector. You can become a game developer in a particular field, in particular organization. Okay, develop online games of softwares. Okay, with the help of software, with the help of proper game development part. Okay, now next thing is next last career opportunity is audio or video editor. Okay, as a career opportunity to become an audio or video editor, one should be good in tools such as KDN, KDEN Live, Audacity. With the help of these tools, one can develop a career as a video journalist. See, video development nowadays this is also um, drastically change. There are lots of options, lot of we can say softwares available on internet. You can able to record audio or video. This lecture is also I'm going to record this lecture for student purpose. Those cannot able to attend, those have network problem. So here I am going to attend record a lecture with the help of specific software. Okay, actually I am using mobile device, so there is a one screen recorder to record my uh, or capture my exact screen area. Okay, please tell me, is it audible to you or not? Let me check. Please write into chat. Thank you. Okay, yes. Okay, good. So, audio video editor, as a career opportunity to become an audio or video editor, one should good in tools such as Audacity. So, Audacity is a audio category type of software. You can set uh, proper audio levels. Okay, you can check increase or decrease volume. You can set echo option, echo echo. You can able to set different type of applying different type of effects to your voice. Okay, you can able to increase or decrease your speed. Okay, your voice speed, recording speed. So these are various options when you talk about audio or video editor in specific application. Okay, so these are various career opportunities. Okay, we can say different type of options available for students or any person who have interest in field of IT. Remember student, if you have interest, then you definitely gain proper scope. Okay, some people ask me to so please tell me about is there is a scope or not. Okay, but remember, I trust on your efficiency. I trust on your skills. You just know about which type of skill you acquire. Okay, which type of application you can handle, which type of program you can create. Okay, just certificate and marks is not everything. You have specific skill. Okay, then you can able to survive in future. Okay, so lots of companies, um, you can adopt, you can lots of companies recruit with the help of skills. Okay, they ask about which type of skill you acquire. Okay, just tell me which type of skill, just run this or execute this particular program, or write particular program. So such type of skill um, you have to expertise in particular application, in particular domain like web development, domain like software development, domain like ethical hacker, domain like professional accountant. So such type of domains. Okay, or your cyber advisor. So domain means what? Specific skill set. Okay, if you have interest in designer, then you have to know about each and everything in HTML, HTML5, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, now JavaScript is a very interesting, which is very popular. Okay, who capture each and everything in IT field. Okay, with the help of JavaScript, you can become a mon developer, you can become a full stack developer. Okay, because there are different type of, we can say, in JavaScript there are different type of libraries. Okay, Angular, then React. JavaScript also cover, JavaScript also cover mobile development part, Android development part. Okay, so you can become an Android developer as well. Okay, app development. Actually, in our campus, sorry, Morvande Boros campus, which is at Boros, Nandip Boros, okay, senior college, having such type of um, integrated integrated courses. Okay, handling such type of skills for students. Okay, they give opportunities to become a Android developer, right? So you just have proper skill set, then you can definitely become a proper IT expert. Okay, a new trend is mean, write down, and communicate with me personally. Okay, chat with me personally on WhatsApp after lecture, right? So write down, MEAN, developer. Okay, and second thing is MERN, MERN. You need to find out full form of MERN, MERN, and MEAN. Okay, to become a full stack developer nowadays, you have to aware about different type of skill set, different type of programming languages, different type of scripting part. Okay, not a single, right? So this is about careers opportunities in IT. Actually, there are three different branches when you talk about careers in IT. First branch is software development. Okay, or we can say web development. Second branch is uh, hardware part. Okay, networking or hardware part, second thing. And last is multimedia part. Third thing is what? Multimedia. And in multimedia category, we can become a audio or video editor, animator, game developer, okay, designer, web designer. So these are, or graphic designer. So these are various type of opportunities, or we can say career opportunities in IT. Now recent trends in IT, recent trends. We have to acquire such type of trends, such type of concepts, advanced concepts in IT. Okay. So first thing is green computing. It is a study and practice of environmentally sustainable computing, or IT. The goal of green computing are similar to green chemistry. Okay. To reduce the use of hazardous material, to maximum energy efficiency during product lifetime, and to recycle or biodegradation of non-functional products and factory waste. Okay. It is just nothing but uh, reusability. Okay. When you reuse your product, then this is comes under green computing part. When you reuse your um, any device, when you reuse your any computing work, then this is a part of green computing, right? Green computing is important for all classes of systems, ranging from handheld system to large scale data centers. Okay, handheld means small portable devices, and to large scale data centers means big organization servers. This is called as the data centers. Okay, where we going to handle uh, heavy amount of traffic. Okay, network traffic, networking signals. So this is a large scale data centers. Okay, so nowadays green computing is also um, popular thing, trend. Okay, we can say new trend, recent trend in IT. Now second thing is IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things. The IoT is the network of physical device, vehicles, home appliances, and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensor, actuators, and connectivity, which enables these things to connect, collect, and exchange data, creating opportunities for more direct integration of physical world into computer-based system, resulting in efficiency improvement, economic benefit, and reduced human exertions. IoT is nothing but we can take different type of examples, automotive equipments. Okay, um, I will definitely solve your any type of problems personally. Okay, please uh, communicate with me with the help of WhatsApp. Okay, I will solve you any type of your queries. Okay, any type of difficulties in related to the computer, I will definitely solve and gives you any type of advice related to the careers. Okay, so IoT related to the automotive task. Okay, uh, like home appliances, for example washing machine, right? Then refrigerator, which have proper console, or we can say um, sensors. Okay, so these are equipment, these are um, embedded devices, embedded, we can say electronic machines, handled with the help of IoT nowadays. Okay, which is depends on sensors, this depends on actuators, connecting with enable these things to connect or collect exchange data. It's creating opportunities. So this is nothing but IoT things. Now next is cloud computing, new trend. Cloud computing, it is a delivery of computing services, server, storage databases, networking software, data analyst, and more over the internet. This is all about internet concepts. Okay, which totally depend upon connectivity, internet connectivity basically, because internet is nothing but network of network. So cloud is nothing but wave, cloud is nothing but internet. Okay, cloud computing is delivery of computing services, uh, one cloud to another cloud, like Google Drive. Okay, or we can take another example. I forgot one. Dropbox. Yes, Dropbox is another service to exchanging information or transport information one source to destination. Okay, so cloud computing, there are different type of application, different type of services. Okay, for specific purpose. Okay, now next part is data analysis analytics. Okay, it is the process of examining data sets in order to draw conclusion about information, then they contain increasingly with the help of specialized systems, okay, and software. Data analyst technologies and techniques are widely used in commercial industries to enable organizations to make more informed business decision, and by scientists and researchers to verify or disprove scientific models, theories, and hypotheses. So, with the help of data analyst, you can become a data analyst in specific organization. Okay, this is a new trend to handling large amount of data. Okay, in specific systems or specific software. Nowadays, you know about data is very important, or we can say essential thing, right? With the help of data, you can able to handle any type of task. So data is very important. We need to secure our personal information. So data analyst can handle such type of task. Okay, for organization, specifically organization, for research type, for theories, for scientific models and hypothesis. Okay, now next recent trend in IT is artificial intelligence, AI. It is intelligence demonstrated by machines, in contrast to natural intelligence displayed by humans, just a minute, and other animals. Computer science defines AI research as the study of intelligent agents. Any device that perceives its environment and takes actions that maximize its chance of successfully achieving goals. Mm, when if you want to become a AI is a new trend. Okay, if you want to acquire this type of skill, then there is one language, and language name is Python. Python, JS, these are popular languages to become a um, to develop such type of AI related, we can say, application. Okay, AI enabled applications. Okay, now artificial intelligence, which is applying with different type of device as well, different type of electronic devices. Okay, now next part is machine learning related to the AI. Okay, related to the AI. Actually, AI, ML, okay, big data, these are comes under data science concept. Okay, uh, if you are interested in if you're interested in maths, if your expertise in maths, you can become a definitely become a AI experts or machine learning experts. Okay, because uh, we require maths when you talk about or stats, especially statistics, when you talk about AI. Okay, as well as machine learning part. Okay, okay. So machine learning, it is a scientific study of algorithms and statistical models that computer system use to effectively perform a specific task without using explicit instructions, relying on patterns and inference instead. It is seen as a subset of artificial intelligence. It is seen as a subset of artificial intelligence. Okay. Now, last remaining two parts, big data and blockchain. Okay. Is it audible to you? Just remain two things, big data and blockchain. Big data, it refers to data sets that are too large or complex for traditional data processing application software to adequately deal with. Data with many cases offer greater statistical power, while data with higher complexity may lead to higher false discovery rate. Big data relate to the heavy traffic, okay, of data on server or specific, we can say on in specific field. Okay, so it is a new trend. When you become a data analyst, or we can say database manager, then you can able to handle such type of new train, big data or uh, data analyst type. Okay, now last point in new trends, recent trends in IT is blockchain. It is a growing list of record called blocks, which are links using cryptography. It can be defined as distributed, decentralized public ledger. See, decentralized public ledger means um, it is handling uh, cloud computing part as well. Cryptography is nothing but um, encryption and decryption part. Okay, encryption means uh, plain text into ciphertext, conversion of plain text into ciphertext, which is called as encryption. In short, cryptography related to the securing system. Okay, nothing else. Are you heard about currency? Which type of currency? Cryptocurrency. Okay, so cryptocurrency related to the blockchain part. Okay, which is comes under blockchain. Okay, so this is about our first topic. In case you have any difficulty, then free feel to ask me anytime. Just um, communicate with me on WhatsApp. Okay, I will definitely try to solve your any type of problem. But now your turn. You have to solve exercise. Okay, is there any difficulty? Then ask me. Okay, on my WhatsApp. Right. Take care. Bye. Yes, I record this session. Don't worry about it.